Good morning. The undertone seems to be cautious again. Anxious apprehensions continue over Europe's resolve to tackle the region's credit crisis. Leaders of the debt-plagued euro are continuing to bicker over possible new measures to stop the debt contagion from worsening. Reports point to a rift over what the terms of the another bailout for Greece should be. The review team representing international lenders will return to Greece on Thursday to examine Athens' austerity move designed to ensure its next installment of aid. The start looks to be soft due to renewed selling in global equities. US stocks tumbled while European indices too closed lower. Asian markets are more or less in the negative zone. Overall, the trend will be choppy due to the FNO expiry today. Even otherwise, volatility is likely to persist as long as the fate of the Greece and Europe hang back. Economic data to watch out today are India's weekly food inflation data, Germany's unemployment, EU's consumer confidence and US GDP. The recent pullback in the Nifty from 4,758 stalled near 61.8 retracement, and renewed selling pressure led to a closing below 4,950. The rising window in the Nifty at 4,880 remains critical support. Any close below it could negate the intermediate uptrend. The near-term trading range for Nifty is seen at 4,800 to 5,000. The same could be widened to 4,600 on way down in case the sentiment take a fresh beating. On the way up, 5,200 could prove to be a hurdle. FII flows have turned better again, but the same could reverse if the overseas market slips again. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 1.84 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutions were net buyers at Rs 1.15 billion on the same day. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 4.15 billion in the FNO segment. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 887 million in the cash segment on Tuesday, as per the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net buyers at Rs 1.94 billion on the same day. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Radhakrishna Damani have reportedly invested around 800 billion rupees for a little over 14% stake in Sterling Holiday Resorts India Limited. Pipavav Shipyard has announced a tie-up with aircraft maker Airbus to develop a maintenance, repair and overhaul unit in India with an initial investment of $100 million. Aban Offshore plans to halve its present $2.7 billion debt over the next 5 years. IOC is undertaking feasibility studies for its petrochemical business in West Bengal worth Rs 60 billion. Moving on to recommendations, our technical calls for the day are: we advise selling Jindal Steel and Power October futures below Rs 520 with a stop loss placed at Rs 529 and for the target price of Rs 500. Our derivative strategy for the day is short Hindalco October futures between Rs 134 to Rs 135 for the target price of Rs 127 and a stop loss placed at Rs 138. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.